Hey everyone, welcome to Creating with Jazzy Bundles. Today we are going to make shaker cards. Let's get crafty. My name is Jenny, and this is Creating with Jazzy Bundles, the channel where we take our simple supplies from your neighborhood craft store or favorite online retailer and turn them into one-of-a-kind pieces of art. If you like this video, hit subscribe before you leave and ring the bell to be the first to see our new videos. And with that, let's get started on today's craft. For these shaker cards, they're going to be a little bit different than my other video. These shaker cards are going to need the following supplies: cardstock, paper trimmer, glue, stamps and dies as needed, sequins or other shaker pieces, and the fuse tool. Now for my shapes, I use the Anna Griffith All Square die card dies, and I took the two smallest ones. I taped them together and cut out a frame. Then I took the smallest one and I cut it out of a piece of darker green paper. So the frame will fit over top of the darker green paper. And they'll all sit on top of my white cardstock, card base. All right, now let me show you how this fuse tool works. First, you take your shape, whatever shape you want. I'm going to use the larger of the two sizes so that when I put it back behind here, it won't show in my hole. And all you do is you heat it up. And I've let this heat up for a good 10 minutes so that it's nice and hot. And you just use the roller one that is in the package. And just go and trace around it. Now at this point, you should have a pocket that you can dump stuff into. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this out because it'll be easier to work with from here on if I do. I'm going to take some of my sequins, and I'm making a St. Patrick's Day card. So I've got some dark green sequins. Some lighter green sequins. And I found some gold ones, like little coins, sitting in my shaker. Now we need to close up the bag. So put this on top of our shaker. Make sure that the line is on the outside of it. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now we have our own little shaker card here. A little shaker bag. So now with the shaker, all you have to do is glue it down. Which we need to cut it a little closer. To the lines. And it'll sit right there. We'll make put some glue on it. And glue it down into place. Now we have our shaker. So we're going to take this and glue it around the edge, which I'm probably easier going like this. And put my, goes like this. My frame on. Then we will glue the whole thing down to our white paper. And here we have our shaker card. And it moves easily, and I could decorate this St. Patrick's Day, and I am all set with my St. Patrick's Day card. That's it. It was nice and easy, and I just wanted to show you how this new fuse tool that I got works really well for shaker cards. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. I hope you had fun today and learned something new. Be sure to leave a comment below to share your favorite part of the video. Click subscribe and ring the bell to be the first to see our new videos. If you enjoyed this video about shaker cards, we have a whole playlist about fun fold cards. And if you wish to check out our other videos about cards, we have this playlist here.